What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Cullen Turner Elementary School YouTube channel. So today we are on lesson 7. So I want to give a few shout outs to last week to a few students that sent in their their answers and they were correct. Was definitely Heaven, awesome job, really did great work. Riel, awesome job as well. Really happy with your all's progress and your consistency. So I may or may not have a surprise coming at the end of this week or next week to you guys because you all have consistently posted and responded back every time. So I appreciate you all, your all's hard work, and obviously brothers, sisters, and parents that are assisting with it. So today we're going to move on from just building multiplication equations. We're going to move into word problems, and word problems is the next step of rigor that we're going to move into. So I'm going to jump right in, and this is called the tricycle problem. And so if you're following along in your student workbook, it's page 20. All right, and what we're going to look at is the problem is over my shoulder, and it says there are 7 tricycles. Each has 3 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? Okay, so if the word problem says there are 7 tricycles, each has 3 wheels. Did you know tri equals 3? Just throwing it out there. How many wheels are there in all? How many wheels are there? Get my handwriting's getting better. In all. Okay, so a few points I want to work through, okay, is parents or brothers, sisters, whoever working, is the first thing we want to do with word problems is first circle the important information. It's obviously the numbers is super important, but it could also be spelled out numbers as well. So instead of 3, maybe it says THREE. A lot of times that could be tricky, not just the actual number, but the written number. So I'm going ahead and circle the 7, and I'm going to underline 7 of what? 3 of what? So there's 7 tricycles, and there's 3 wheels. So we got to figure out what operation we're going to do for this. And so we have 7 tricycles, and they each have 3 wheels. And the question is, you have to make this your answer statement, is what is the question asking you to do, okay? How many wheels are there in all? So how many total wheels, okay? Total number of wheels. That's what it's asking, all right? And there's 2 ways we could do that because a lot of y'all, whenever y'all been trained to see in all, the words in all, you think add, which we can definitely add. And that's what we're going to start out with first, okay? If we were to add, what would that look like? What would that look like? So if I have 7 tricycles, each has 3 wheels, then it would be repeated addition could be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, and 7. It could be repeated addition. That could be the first way we could find it. Absolutely. All right. The way that we want you to do that is to actually skip count. Not even just doing repeated addition, but let's actually skip count. And what we're going to do is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. So we know that our answer is 21. 21 as well. And then we're trying to build to a multiplication sentence, and that would be the number of groups. How many groups are there? Well, there's 7 tricycles. Those are the groups. So I'm going to go 7 times, or 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. So what I want sent to me in a picture form. And I'm going to scroll, and it gives you kind of an example at the top up here is I want you to write the multiplication equation. I want you to write the skip counting and then the answer. I will absolutely love if you drew a picture. I'm not much of a picture drawer, but you could have easily drawn a picture for that. So for lesson 7, the homework is going to be, okay, it's going to be page 21, and this is what it looks like. Here are the two word problems, and I'll read them as well. The first one on the left says, there are 5 monster trucks. Each has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? Just like I did it, you can write it out as well. And then I want the skip counting, the equation with the answer. And then the second one is, there are 6 bikes. Each has 2 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? Those are the two homework questions or the two exit ticket questions. So once you do that, write that down, text me a picture of it. I would also love if maybe you included the word problem you wrote out and circled the important information, underlined the important keywords. Great job. I'll see you all at the next lesson.